गोयच्या जमीन घोटाळ्या प्रकरणात आणि रजिस्ट्रार कार्यालयातल्या भ्रष्टाचारांतय गोयच्या वकिलांचो हात आसा अशें कायदो मंत्री आलेक्स सिक्वेरा हांणी विधान केल्लें। ह्या विधानाचेर सांगे केपेच्या वकील संघटनेन निषेध केलो। हे विशीं मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंताक पत्र बरोवन सिक्वेरा आड न्यायालयीन चौकशी करची अशी मागणी केल्या। तशेंच कायद्या मंत्र्यान आपल्या पदाचो राजीनामो दिवचो अशें ताचें म्हणणें।
Some across a statement made by our law minister, Alex Siqueira, saying that there is some wrongdoings are going on in the office of sub-registrar and his staff is involved in that. But as a law minister, if he cannot take action on that, that means he admits that there are wrongdoings happening in his office of sub-registrar. Now he says that some advocates are also involved in this. So if he cannot control his own staff, and he was not very clear who are the advocates who are involved in this, or his staff who is involved in this. So as a law minister, as per my say, he has failed in doing his duties. Therefore, what I am asking for as a president of Quepem Sanguem Bar Association, representing the entire Quepem Sanguem, Darbanoda and Kankona Taluka lawyers, I have asked for a judicial inquiry of whatever is happening. If it is wrong is happening, we'll clear it up. So I am asking for a judicial inquiry. Or otherwise, if you can't do that, you will have to step down as a minister. That is what I have already written to the Prime Minister's office, to the Governor, to the President of India and the Chief Minister. And I have requested them to, if you can't do it, then remove it from the ministry. That's it.